So I was rummaging through my box of parts, and right under the glue gun, in between some of the driver motors, I found an LCD controller. So I guess I can go put it on mine. I put the Robo 3D printer on its side, I removed all the screws, and from my garage, I got the little smart controller, along with the pins that actually interface with the Arduino. Now, let me take this off real fast. Inside the printer, the Arduino has the communication port right here. And that's where this thing goes. So you just plug it up right there. Make sure it's in all the pins. Now, I don't know if this is labeled on all of them, but mine is labeled 2 and 1, EXP, EXP 1 and 2. So this is the second one, this is the first one. And it matches the pins on here, EXP2 and EXP1. Alright, so the controller board is now hooked up. Sadly, there is no text. The light comes on, there is definitely power running to the cable, but the controller is not functioning. And the reason why it's not functioning is because it's not the LCD controller that you would usually get with this kind of printer. You should jump on the computer, go to your firmware, and on line 505, at least if you have the default one that was in the previous video, you'll see where it says define rep discount smart controller. Now, this is the one that you would usually get if you have a Robo 3D, but if you scroll down, the one that I have is the rep discount full graphics smart controller. So I have to uncomment this line, and there's even a little comment that says remember to install this Arduino library in your folder. So all you have to do, if you have the full graphics smart controller, is click here and go down to links, download latest from bin tray, and there's a link right under there, and then there is the link. So when you download it, you just save it, unzip it, and then put it in your libraries folder for Arduino, which can be located in the program files. And after you update that, and you make sure the library is active, you're going to re-upload the code with just this uncommented right here. The file is currently being uploaded to the printer. The LCD still doesn't have any display on it. Looks like we're done uploading. And there we go. The pretty text. If I turn the light on, it's all working, obviously. Let me just make sure the function of the controls actually work on this real fast. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move the x-axis. So obviously the controller works just fine. The only issue that I have is that the pins are set backwards by default. So I would assume that turning the knob clockwise would mean that this number would increase, not decrease, and vice versa for turning counterclockwise. So that's also pretty easy. It's just a little simple edit of the firmware. After you get down to motherboard 33, in pins.h, you're going to scroll up until you find the if define rep discount controller. And there it is. And so you're going to change 33 and 31. And from here, you should be able to upload it, and it should change it around. And the code's currently being compiled. It's about to update in a second. But one of the other things you can do is on the back of the board right here, if you don't want to keep hitting this button to turn the light on, you can keep the light on constantly by changing this pin near my middle finger. So all you have to do is just, instead of the middle and the right pin, use the middle and the left pin, like so. And when you do that, the LCD controller will constantly stay on. And so the code is still being compiled. There it goes. We just restarted. And now, there we go. We're in the right array. So I'm going to go to prepare, Move axes. And move to the right, or clockwise. Bam, there we go. Positive values. And to the left, negative values. So although it may have not been an upgrade I had planned for, it is pretty cool. So there you have it, the RepRap discount full LCD smart control panel working with the Robo 3D R1. I hope this video helps you install your LCD control panel, and if you have any questions about what I did in this video, you can leave comments down below. In the next video, I'm going to be making a case for the LCD control panel that mounts to the printer. This is all for this video. Good luck, have fun, and I hope you love your Robo 3D.